You can expect a lot from the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.